I'm Julia. Today we will learn how to add users to your yearbook account. First, make sure you're logged in and in the yearbook account you wish to add to, then go up to the Manage tab and select from the drop-down Manage Users. This will take you to where all users on the account are listed. If you want to add a user, click on the button in the top right, Create a User. From here, you will fill out the following information to create your login, and the administrator will assign the type of user. The difference between these staff types is their access level. Administrators will have full access to the book, and editors can upload photos and edit the yearbook, but cannot access sensitive school information. This is preferable for students. Staff users access level to upload and view photos for the book. This option is great for parent users. Update user status as approved or new user, then click Save User if you are finished adding staff members. Now you may see a list below your current staff of individuals who have worked on past related yearbook projects. You can invite them to work on this year's project using their existing login information with the Invite User button. You may also hide them from the list with the Hide User button. If you have any issues, use the Help tab on the top menu and select Contact Support to find our helpline and your account manager's information. Thank you for choosing EDO Next.